Good afternoon, Tennessee Valley and North Georgia. I'm going to be talking about the weather, but first thing first, we finally got some action in the tropics. There's currently a tropical low in the eastern Caribbean, and it could develop, and if you can see here, the GFS model shows that developing late next week. Also, the German model shows the same thing. As you can see, once it gets into Caribbean and the Gulf, the GFS is going pretty bullish on this system. Shows it potentially becoming a Category 1 hurricane and making landfall in Mexico. I'm not sold on that at this time. The Euro and other models are going, man, they're not developing it. But what I also wanted to show you is right here, right there, is a tropical low. And the Euro shows it developing a center later next week. There we go. And it is possible that it could develop into a tropical system. In fact, the National Hurricane Center gives it a 40% of developing into a tropical storm. So now on to our weather. Just push all the right buttons here. And our storm chances are going to be isolated, but I wanted to show you this is the latest run for precipitation in our area. As you can see on Sunday, it's showing a few isolated showers. I think that's quite possible due to the heating. It's really wanting to show them on the plateau. Monday, about the same thing. Tuesday, it's getting a little bit more aggressive as we've got a little disturbance coming in from our west right here, and that's, as you can see, allowing for more scattered activity. Wednesday's a slight chance. Thursday, about the same. Friday, due to this funnel boundary right here, we start to get more coverage. So, here's our local forecast. Temps will be above average for the next few days. However, by the middle of the week, we will see temps cool a little. And as I've stated, there will be chances of storms every day, but they're going to increase later in the week. And there are some spots to watch in the tropics, which I've already covered that. Sunday's weather. Sunday will be mostly sunny and hot. So if you're out and about, be sure to drink plenty of liquids, as highs will be 90 to 93 and lows 71 to 74 for the valley. The mountains will be upper 80s during the day and upper 60s at night. There's a slight chance of a few afternoon storms, so I'm going to give our area a 20% chance of rain. Monday is going to be hotter, as highs will be 91 to 94 and lows 72 to 75. The higher elevations are going to be in the upper 80s and upper 60s at night. Once again, a few storms will be possible, but these are going to be isolated. Tuesday will be partly sunny, although a few clouds could be possible, especially if scattered thunderstorms develop. Highs will be 90 to 93 and lows 72 to 75 for the valley. The higher elevations will be upper 80s during the day and upper 60s at night. As I showed you on the model run, there's going to be a disturbance move over our area, and this will allow for a few more scattered thunderstorms to develop. So I've raised our rain chances to 40%. Wednesday will be mostly sunny. Temps will be slightly cooler, but it's still going to be hot, as highs will be 88 to 91 and lows 67 to 70 for the valley. Higher elevations will be low 80s and low 60s. An isolated storm or two will be possible, but the best chance is going to be on the plateau and mountains. So I've decreased our chance to 20. Thursday will be mostly sunny, but the good news is temps are going to be a little bit cooler. In fact, some areas might be below average, and most valley locations average highs 88. Highs will be 87 to 90 and lows 66 to 69 for the valley. Higher elevations will be low 80s and low 60s at night, and only a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Friday and Saturday, it's going to be partly sunny to partly cloudy. Highs will be 85 to 88 and lows 64 to 67. The higher elevations are going to be low 80s and low 60s at night. As a funnel boundary slides closer to our area, it's going to increase our storm chances by providing a little bit more instability, so I've raised our chance to 40%. This concludes this week's forecast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow my weather page on Facebook, as there will be a written post of what I've covered today. Have a great week.